The following message is transmitted at the request of the U.S. government. After the nuclear missiles impacted, the dead Scratchers were seen being revived by alive Scratchers. We thought that they couldn't be brought back to life and the situation can be easier. However, it got worse. It was also confirmed that people who got killed came back to life and transformed into orange cats with aggressive behavior, red eyes, and carry weapons with them. They can also break doors and windows. So it is recommended that you seek an underground shelter. Bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies and a battery-powered radio to your shelter.
Please stand by. This is a global emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly bring a message.
Hello everyone. This is me, the President of the United States. I have shocking news for all of you. The Scratchers has launched 100 nuclear missiles hitting the following countries: United States, Canada, Mexico, Brazil, Argentina, United Kingdom, France, Italy, Germany, Spain, Poland, Netherlands, Switzerland, Austria, Russia, China, India, Japan, South Korea, Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, Laos, Cambodia, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, Egypt, and Saudi Arabia. All residents of these countries shall seek an underground shelter immediately. Bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio to your shelters.
That was a message from the President. Thank you for tuning into this local emergency alert system. Please stand by. This is a global emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly bring a message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the U.S. government. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. The Scratchers have taken over every country across the planet. So far 3 billion people worldwide have been killed alongside as the President and the Vice President of the United States. It is advised you lock all doors, windows and seek a fallout shelter. All clear. This is an all-clear message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the U.S. government. Militaries has successfully killed these Scratchers and none are seen to be found in this planet. It is now safe you come out of your shelter. However, a lot of damage was caused by these Scratchers and 3 billion people died. As long as the President and Vice President, it will take weeks, months, or even years to repair all of the damage. Thank you for participating in this global situation.
States have failed to kill these scratchers. There is nothing else that humanity can do to stop these scratchers. All residents of the United States and